Hello friends, welcome back to our channel NTN Traders. So in this video, as usual, we're gonna check Nifty and Bank Nifty movement, result stocks, everything. So before going into the video, if you like this video, click like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also do comment so that I can improve my channel and improve my videos. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, let's get into the video. So this is Nifty and Bank Nifty close on July 23rd. Expiry, weekly expiry day. Nifty 82 points plus, closed around 11,215. Bank Nifty 201 points plus and closed around 23,083. Again a positive day. Continuously we are in positive mode. Sector wise, IT, except IT, all the sectors almost in positive. So these are the stocks that moved much today. First is Dilip Buildcon. The stocks moved 11% up. So it got an project. So good news for this company. Next is Rossari Biotech. The first day today and 12% up the stock on the first day itself. Next is ICICI Securities, again 2% upside. The profit jumped 70% compared to the last quarter. Next is SpiceJet. The share price went 4% up. It got an agreement between India and United States for service, so it jumped 4%. Next is PNB Housing Finance. Again it also 5% upside. The first quarter results, although the result is not that much good, but the company stock price went up 5%. Next is Cadila Healthcare 1%, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals 2% upside. Only Future Retail, the stock in this list, only this company stock went down for 5%. Balaji Telefilms 10% up. Sorry. The last is Hindustan Zinc 4% up. But this last one, Hindustan Zinc, looks good for long term also. We'll check the chart in coming videos. I plan to put some 4 to 5 stock list for long term. In that list Hindustan Zinc also added. The next is result stocks on 24th July. These are the result stocks: Ambuja Cements, Asian Paints, Atul Limited, CCL, Chennai Petroleum, Coromandel International, Crompton Grease, GHCL, ITC, JSW, Lakshmi Machine Works, Reliance Industries, one of the awaiting results. Today also it went upside. Reliance, it looks very bullish. I don't know how it reacts for the results. TCI Express, Welspun and Z Entertainment. These are the results for tomorrow. So again Nifty support and resistance. Coming back to the Nifty, there is no change in the support and resistance for the past 2 days because it couldn't break the level of 11,240 level. So the resistance remained the same. The support also will be the same. Bank Nifty also the same support and resistance. First support around 22,620. Again next is 22,530. Resistance 23,100 and the next is 22,500. Let's look for the chart. So this is the Nifty daily chart. Nifty, after a red candle, it opened flat today and went upside, but it couldn't able to break that level. We have mentioned the same. Here you can check the support level 11,050. Yesterday also was the same. Today it made a low of 11,150. Sorry, 11,057, almost to our support level, and from there it bounced back and went upside till 11,238. This also the resistance level, you can check here. It traded between a support and resistance today. One can make a buy here, would have booked some profit here, but expiry day options are not that much good today. Anyway, what we can expect for tomorrow, Nifty, although in positive mode, it couldn't break this level of 11,234. I was repeatedly telling it should break above this level for further upside, for targets of 11,400, 500 for everything. So in coming days we should wait for this level to break, or else Nifty can make a consolidation move like this in a range bound trade. So options also, we should be careful on option trading. Let's check for tomorrow, maybe a flat open. Unless it breaks strong above this level, stay calm and wait for any breakout trade. For Bank Nifty, also it need to break above this level. So on the lower side, if break below 22,700 level, you can go for sell side, or else same Bank Nifty also can move in a consolidation phase. So wait for either side move, don't rush your trade and end up in loss. So we can check for some result stocks. Ambuja Cements, Asian Paints, let me check. Ambuja Cements not that much good. It looks for selling only. So if it breaks this low 197, you can go for sell side. Asian Paints, you can check here, it trading between this range and also like a constructing pattern. It need to come out of this level for further trade. So you can make a note of this stock. In future, if it trade above this level, you can go for buy side or sell side. So now for results also no that much, not any view clear. So we'll wait for any breakout. Let's check for ITC and JSW. ITC, so above 200 we can go for buy side. JSW for long, for 5 days almost it consolidating around 200 level, 205 to 210 level. So for long term it need to break above 212 for more upside. With support of 190 we can go for buy in this JSW Steel. So Reliance Industries already it's a new lifetime high. So we should be careful on the stock. See, it is from this level 900, it's still moving upside. So we should be careful on the stock. At any time it can fall. So we'll skip this. So these are the stocks and results, and also we'll check the Nifty and Bank Nifty also. We'll come back with the next video. Before that, if you like this video, click like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts or anything, you can feel free to comment in the comment box. Thank you.